All right, everyone, time to take this section across the finish line with some best practices for connecting and shaping data. Now, number one, get yourself organized before even loading any data into Power BI. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Defining those clear and intuitive table names right from the start will save you a ton of time in the future. Updating table names can be a big headache down the road, especially if you've already referenced them in multiple places, like DAX measures. Also, I highly recommend establishing a clear and organized file folder structure that makes sense from the start. This will help you avoid having to go in and modify your data source settings anytime those file names or locations change. Number two, I'd recommend disabling report refresh for any static sources in your model. And at the end of the day, there's no need to constantly refresh those sources that don't update frequently, or in some cases, at all, like lookups and static data tables. So you only really need to enable refresh for tables that you expect to change over time. And last but not least, when you're working with larger tables or models, only load up the data that you need. So there's no point in including hourly data when you only need daily, or product level sales and transactions when you only care about performance at a store level. So just keep in mind, this can all change over time. Nothing's set in stone. But at the end of the day, extra data is only going to slow you down. All right, so congratulations. We've officially wrapped up our entire section on connecting and shaping data, which is the first major phase of the business intelligence workflow. Keep in mind that we're really just getting started and we've got some great stuff ahead. Next up, we'll shift gears into creating table relationships, exploring the data model view, and really customizing our data model within Power BI.